Hi, it's David Hughes from Mobile Signal Solutions, and I'm here to talk about small domestic solutions that you can use yourself. Now, remember to like or follow us if you like what we talk about here. So what I want to do is address the huge elephant in this industry. So if you've looked at amplifiers that look a little bit like this, or a little bit like this, be aware that these are most likely what's called broadband amplifiers. Broadband amplifiers were made illegal by Ofcom, and they come with a fine of up to 5,000 and a year in prison. So be careful you don't buy them because they're legal to sell. But if you start broadcasting with them, you're going to be in trouble with Ofcom. So an alternative to that is we've got small narrowband amplifiers. They're still expensive because they have to meet certain criteria, but they're a lot more affordable than the commercial solutions that we're known for. So I want to talk you through the two models. They're both very similar. They come in a box like this with the main amplifier here. So as you can see, that comes out. This one here is the 5-band model. So it'll cover all 5 major bands in the UK. The good news with that is means you can get all your networks. So usually with our systems, you've got one network at a time. These ones do all. The difference is they have a lot less power. So they're what's called a 10 dB amplifier versus the higher grade commercial ones. Because they're 10 dB, they can broadcast out all of the networks and remain within Ofcom's guidelines. So an all network solution over all UK that's legal with Ofcom. So in the box, you've got everything you need to put it together. So we take that out. And we have our outdoor aerial. Outdoor aerials are key. If you don't have it, genuinely, it's not going to work. So if you live in an apartment where you can't use an outdoor aerial, don't buy one of these. Don't buy anything. It's a waste of money. So here's the aerial. You put it outside. You point it in the direction of the mast. Because you don't have a signal scanner like our engineers, you're going to have to use trial and error. So just literally take it every 15 degrees till you get the best results. These come with an N-type connector. This is the female end, and that's what the cable goes into. So we'll leave that over there. Next in the box, you're going to get the cable. Cable comes as 15 meters. So this is enough to get you from outside to inside. Okay, you've got your outside connection again. N-type connector, 15 meters of cable, and then the end that connects into the amplifier. So just keep an eye on the fact that you're going to have to drill a hole somewhere to get that cable through. The good news is it's a narrow hole because you can push in the cable, which is the narrow end, which goes in. It comes with a standard 13 amp plug, so pretty standard, same with all UK, very, very decent. So once you've got the amplifier purchased from ourselves, you may need to be able to get a little bit of help, or you may be able to install it yourself. But it is quite simple. Your outdoor aerial, outside, high as you can, pointed in the direction that works well. Connect the wider end of the cable to that. Make sure it's the wider end. And then you're pushing through the narrow end, which you can see is only about 7 mil. So you need to get like a 10 mil drill bit, push it through and silicone it afterwards. Once you do, you're going to connect it into the power supply here, and then you connect the outdoor connection here. You don't have to worry about the aerials. The aerial is inbuilt. So once you plug it in, this will broadcast. It's a 10 dB amp, so it'll broadcast within the area that it's in. If you find you want to extend it, you can, but only to a very, very small amount. Maximum of 3 extra antennas. If you do, you can use a signal splitter, which is one of these. You connect this directly into the amp. You've got 3 outputs, and you can cable to 3 internal antennas. The internal antennas can be a whip area like this, nice, small and discreet. A larger omni antenna like this, which fits straight to your ceiling. Or the new design, absolutely fabulous, low profile antenna, goes directly into the ceiling and can barely be seen. So ideally, if you do need a domestic solution, again, anything under £800, don't touch it. It's more than likely illegal. Come to us, we'll give you a solution. If you need the 4-band, which is perfect for Ireland customers, if you need the 5-band, which is perfect for the UK, just choose one or other, and then when you need a bit of advice, give us a call on the phone. So thanks a lot, Mobile Signal Solutions, and again, to all our corporate clients, that is our main process. We're here to help you survey, design, and install. All the people that need help with their domestics, we're here to make sure we keep you on the straight and narrow. Okay? Ofcom approved at work. Give us a call. mobilesignalsolutions.co.uk. Dave Hughes, thank you very much. Bye-bye.